Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to copy Facebook website. So we are going to clone this login web page, alright? Okay, let's get started. I have set up a project for Tailwind by using Vite, and if you don't know how to set this up, I recommend you to watch my video about installing Tailwind CSS by using Vite, alright? Okay, let's get started. So when I take a look at Facebook website over here, I see there are two sections. The first section is content over here, and the second section is about footer. Okay, this is content and this is footer. Content background is gray and footer background is white. So over here you will see the content start from this position and end at this position. So that means there are a container box over here which is align center, and this box is over here as well and align center. Okay, let's create it. I'm going to remove hello over here. So let's put first section ID content. So ID doesn't mean anything, you can put whatever you want. So then footer. Okay, next we are going to set content background to be gray 100. Okay, and then I'm going to create a container div over here, class container, and make it center by using MX auto. And then I'm going to create two boxes inside this container. First box will contain image of Facebook logo and the text over here. Okay, copy it and paste it over here. So let's copy the image as well. So the image over here, just put it on desktop and then move it to Visual Studio Code, and then create a new folder and then put img and move the image to the folder that we created. Okay, rename this one to be Facebook. Okay, let's go back to HTML, and then source should be image and Facebook. And next we are going to create this login box or form. Okay, let's put div for shadow, and then we put form. We have two input, type text, placeholder, email, phone number. Okay, the second box, input, type, password, placeholder should be password. And then we need input submit button. So we put submit, and then we put value login. Okay, this look good. We have two input box and login button over here. Next we need forgot password link under the login form. So we need a tag forgot password href over here, just put empty. And then we need horizontal, and we need this button. So I put div because the button align center. So I put a tag and then create a new account. So href. Outside of the shadow box we need this text. Okay, so So this is the shadow box, and then outside of the shadow box we might need div and p tag and the tags. And create a page is a link. Okay, we put a link over here, anchor tag. Okay, put href. Alright, the content looks similar, but the layout is different right now. We are going to do it later. Okay, next let's create a footer content. So I'm going to copy some of them. Okay, just copy. And then over here we are going to put div class. It should be container as well, and mx auto container mx auto. Okay, and inside container mx auto we need a div, and we need unordered list. Just paste the content over here. I copy from Facebook. So let's put mouse over here and then press ultimate and then click on over here, click over here, over here, and over here, and over here. So we put list. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, and put cursor over here. Press alt on your keyboard. Okay. Okay, we have another list for footer, and then we put hr, and we can copy this one and put it down below here. Okay, let's copy some of this link. This should be links, so it should be a tag. Side up is left. Okay, I'm going to remove this one, remove this one, remove this, and remove this, remove this. Okay, press alt, click, a tag. Okay, let's copy content over here. Paste this over here. Okay, we need login. We need messenger, Facebook Lite, and watch place. Oh, I forgot href. Copy it, put it over here. Okay, next let's create a tag over here. Press alt, click. So let's create a tag. Okay, let's cut and paste this over here. I don't know how to deal with Arabic language, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, let's take a look at our web page. Alright, it's look good. So we have like a bottom section and top section, okay, which is differentiated by color, gray and white. Okay, next let's apply some styles. So for container over here, MX Auto, I want this box, the child's box, to sit side by side. You see, Facebook to sit side by side with login form. So I am going to apply flex over here. So let's put flex at the end over here. Okay, you see the box is side by side. Okay, and I want this to locate at the end over here. So I put justify between. Okay, yeah, we know that the box is too big, so I'm going to put padding X to shrink it a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to put py to have padding top and bottom for 40. Okay, this look good. And for the footer, let's adjust the footer at the same time. So we need padding X to be 60 and padding Y is 10. Okay, this look good. See, it look like Facebook right now, but we need to apply something more. Let's change the box over here to look like Facebook. So this one, we put class shadow. I need shadow on it. LG large. Okay, we have shadow right now, but background color needs to be white. BG white. Okay, see, white. So we need padding for it. So we can put P10, padding 10, and round it XL. We need border radius over here. Alright, let's styles input box. So over here, let's put class and put display box and border 2. I need to have border, and width is full, and padding should be 3, and text large, and box needs to be rounded empty, and margin bottom 5. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, it's look good. I will copy the styles of this input and apply it to this input. It look really similar. Yeah. Next, we need to style the login button. So let's put class display to be block, full width, rounded empty as well, and then text should be large, and font should be bold, and background should be blue 500. I will use default Tailwind color. The color will be a little different, but it doesn't matter for me and for you as well. So we are going to learn Tailwind as much as we can. Here, the button look good. So I'm going to apply padding 3 over here. Okay, it look good. We need this link to be at the center. So we put class text center. Need is to be bigger, so I put text empty, make it display box, and then my margin top and bottom to be 5, needs text to be blue 500 or 600, I think. Okay, this look good. Next, we need horizontal to have some margin. Okay, horizontal over here, margin bottom equal to 10. Let's style this box to be text center, and then let's style the create a new account button. So put class and then put rounded empty, and then put text LG, font should be bold, color should be green, and padding 3, and text should be white. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, this look good. So we need to style this text. So I want it to go down a little bit. So I put class margin top 5, and then text should be center, and text should be medium. And then over here I put class font should be bold. Okay. Okay, this look good. This look really good. So the size of the box is too small over here. So we need to adjust it to be more bigger. So let's adjust the width of its parent box over here and over here. So let's put class width equal 3.5, and then this one should be 2 and 5. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, this look really similar to this one. Okay, see, it's not different. You see the logo is too big, so let's make the logo smaller. So we put class over here, and then we put width 1/2, and the text over here I just want it to be bigger, so I put text 3XL. Okay, I need gap between this box and this text, so I can put gap over here. So put gap 28. See, it have a gap over here. All right, this look really good. I need some padding around this box, so I'm going to put padding over here. Padding 20. Padding top, I mean, yeah, to move it down a little bit. Here, you see, it's look really good. Might be 18. And next, what we need this logo to start from the position of this text. Okay, I can put class over here, and then put left 6. Okay, let's see. Maybe I have to apply relative over here. Okay, this look good. See, this look really similar. I need more padding top. I think padding top 22 is good. Let's apply padding top. What's wrong with padding top over here? PT. Oh, there is no 22, so 20. All right, this look really similar. It's a little different, but it look really good. So let's deal with footer over here. So we need this element to sit side by side. So over here we put class flex, sit side by side, and over here class flex. See, it sits side by side. I will put flex wrap over here to wrap the child's element up. Let's deal with this one, flex wrap. Okay, and then need some gap between each element, so I put gap 3, and text color I need this to be gray 600. Okay, this look really good, and we are going to apply class over here. Just click mouse over here and then click alt and click down below here, put class. Okay, let's apply inline block. Okay, when people hover on it, I will put underline. Let's copy this class and apply it over here. Okay, and then put these classes and put this over here. And this one, because it's the first class, so I want the text to be a little bold, so I put text gray 700. Okay, this look really good, but we need a margin for horizontal. So HR over here, we put class my margin top and margin bottom. I put 5. Too much, maybe 2. Okay, this look good. Alright, this look really good. Alright, this is all about this video. If you like my video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.